Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a thumbnail. Now a thumbnail could be any picture or photo of some sort, and technically those can be used as a thumbnail without any editing or any change to that picture. But most people like to edit and Photoshop their pictures as a thumbnail to make it more attractive, more flashy, and just basically have more clicks. So what I'm going to teach you today is for beginners and people that use mobile devices. Now you could do this on a mobile device because I'll be using an app to make the thumbnail. So first, just go in the Play Store, just look up thumbnail maker for YouTube or any thumbnail maker, and you'll see a lot of results. Now I just clicked on the first one, this one by Logo Pit. Now this isn't sponsored or anything, but I think this app does a very good job of doing the job, just completing what you came for. So I already made one, but let me just clear this so I can show you how to make a new one. So a thumbnail maker, just open it up. Now this is a pretty simple app. Now I'll just create new. So you start off with a white canvas and a bunch of menus down here. Now the first thing you want to do is, depending what you want to do. If you want to add a photo, you add a photo. Oh, I don't like ads. You add a photo. If you want to start off with a background, you can start off with any background. So first of all, let me just start off with a background. Let's just do something attractive. Guess I'll use this as an example, or I'll just use a solid color, actually, mint green, and then I'll add a picture. Now add a picture from camera. This one looks good. Okay, so this is from my snow day 2 days ago. I did not have to go to school. So you just crop it the size you want. And technically I recommend you crop the picture the largest possible, because you'll basically gonna have to crop it again to fit this 16:9 square. Oh, this is not working very well. So for example, I'm just gonna fill in only this part, this part, for example, so you can still see this edge right here where the background color is. Now the next thing you want to do, it depends actually, like it really depends what you want to do, but most likely you're gonna have the text. So I'll just say no school with 3 exclamation marks. I don't know how to say that very well. I'll just add. Now this looks very how do I say this, like very immature, very childish, but oh, it gets better. Let me just enlarge this. Okay, choose a font that is actually eye-catching. So let's just see. I'll try to do this quickly. No school. This is actually pretty good. All caps. Then choose a color that is very eye-catching. I recommend you do a red color, maybe green, not green. Maybe it depends on your background color, but yellow or red tends to work fine. Now just choose a red. You can use one of these textures that you like, but I recommend you going with solid colors. Now this is just to change like your font, you just don't have to use this. This is just your curvature, like how spread your letters are. So I'll just move on past that pretty quickly, and this is the good part. This is what makes it look professional. Now this is the border. So you just want to make a border moderate, not too much, and change the color if you would like. A yellow is pretty eye-catching like this, but I'll do black because it looks clean. So no school on the corner. This is your shadow. But in this case, I won't use a lot of shadow because it doesn't really look good. here. Okay. So I added my text, and the next thing I have to do is I can add more pictures or more. Yes, I can add more pictures. So just click through this. I'll just add another picture. Let's say what pictures I want to add. I'll just add this thumbnail, which is the thumbnail for this video that I made. So let's say I want to put it on the corner like that. Now, just a heads up to try not to put any thumbnail or any pictures right here that is important, because this is where your time signature or the sign that tells how long your videos are. This will be right here. So your thumbnail or your part of your thumbnail will be covered up. So don't put anything important over there. Now, let's say I want to put a Foot Locker logo. You just crop it the way you like. And then this is it. And as you notice, this is actually transparent on the part of that. Is not like, it's kind of hard to explain, but it's not like a full square. It's just the logo part. And basically you just find a picture online on Google or something that has this checkered pattern on the back except for the logo, and that just tells you that the logo or the picture is actually transparent on the back. So that's a good heads up. And by the way, I said not to put it right there, so I'm just gonna put it right there. So this is how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Very simple, very easy, very beginner, and I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you liked it, give it a like, comment down below what videos I should post. And guys, just rate this video on the comments. Just give me feedback. So yeah, whatever, this is awkward. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video.